with Drew Schweitzer.
Welcome back. We are 40 minutes past the hour and already temperatures climbing. Feels like it's going to be another hot day.
Yes, it's going to be very similar to what we saw yesterday. I'm sure those pools are going to be packed once again this afternoon. Now, yesterday we saw high temperatures well up into the 90s in most locations. 93 was the high in Manhattan, but look at Salina in central Kansas, made it all the way to 101 degrees. And temperatures this afternoon are going to be just this hot, maybe even a little bit hotter than that. Officially in Topeka yesterday, our high was 93 degrees. Our low was 67, so it was certainly an above average day as far as the temperatures are concerned. And today is going to be even hotter. Our record high temperature is 106 degrees, and that was set back in 1946. And this afternoon, we will likely see our heat index number once again up around that number. As far as the precipitation goes for the year of 2009, we've seen 19.21 inches of precipitation officially at Topeka's Billard Airport, and that is above average by 3.64 inches. Your temperatures this morning, as Amanda was just talking about, it is already hot out there. We've got temperatures in the 70s for most locations, even all the way up to 80 degrees this morning in Salina, 76 right now in Topeka, and 77 for Manhattan. It's also going to be another humid day today. Our dew points are up there once again in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Right now, a dew point of 71 degrees in Topeka, and so we combine the dew point and the temperature, and we get the heat index, and we're already talking about a heat index this morning, and the sun's only been up for a couple of hours. We've got a heat index right now of 80 degrees in Topeka, also a heat index of 80 in Manhattan. That heat index tells us how hot it feels to your body when you step outside. Yesterday, our heat index topped out at 105 degrees, and it looks like we're going to see that again today, maybe even making it as high as 107 later on this afternoon. So make sure you drink plenty of water, take breaks, and take those breaks in the shade, and just kind of be careful out there because that heat can certainly do some damage to you. We've got some winds this morning out of the south and southwest. Right now, 15 miles per hour in Salina, 9 miles per hour in Manhattan. Here in Topeka, we are experiencing a calm wind at the moment. However, as we go throughout the day today, those winds will be increasing out of the south and southwest, and they're going to be stronger than they were yesterday as a developing storm system moves our direction. And by this afternoon, we could see some winds gusting up to 25 or maybe even 30 miles per hour. On the satellite and radar composite, we do have some clouds in place overhead this morning. Those are left over from some thunderstorms that developed down to our south and west yesterday afternoon. So we will see some clouds to start off the day, but as we progress through the day, especially this afternoon, we're going to see mostly sunny skies once again. Now this afternoon, most of the thunderstorm activity around the nation is going to be located along and north of I-80 along that warm front up there in Nebraska over into Iowa and then southern Minnesota and Wisconsin. Could see a fairly significant severe weather outbreak to our north today, but that's all going to stay to our north. We're going to see hot conditions today, but relief is in the forecast as a cold front will be moving in by tomorrow. That cold front will bring a chance of some showers and storms, especially the farther to the south and east you are, and then cooler conditions and also less humid conditions. So it's going to be another scorcher today. However, the good news is we will have relief coming our direction. There is going to be a chance of severe weather, not today, but tomorrow. We have a slight risk of severe weather in some of our eastern counties. That's the area shaded in yellow. And then farther to the east over into northeastern Missouri, we have a moderate risk of severe weather. So the farther to the east you are, the better chances of showers and storms tomorrow. Also, the better chances of seeing some severe weather. Today, a high of 96 degrees, certainly another hot one. That heat index will certainly be in play this afternoon between 102 and 107 degrees. Also a little breezy, south winds gusting at times up to 30 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, a low of 77 degrees, warm and breezy. There is a slight chance of some storms in our western counties, but it looks like most places stay dry tonight. Tomorrow, a different story as that cold front comes through. Slightly cooler tomorrow, but still hot with a high of 90 degrees. And then showers and storms expected by tomorrow afternoon. 88 for a high on Saturday. Also, the humidity levels will be lower on Saturday. So Saturday really going to be a pretty comfortable day. But the heat and humidity build right back in by Sunday with a high of 91. Sunday is the official start to summer. Look at those temperatures Monday and Tuesday into the 90s. And then we do have another storm system moving our direction by the middle of next work week. Amanda?